Brett, can you tell us your role here in this time?
Actually, I don't think I can say my role yet. Kasi medyo surprising yung role.
Oo.
Pero abangin nyo na lang.
Pero ka-love triangle ka with James and Nadine.
Can say that.
Is this the first? Hindi naman first time magkasama kayong tatlo, di ba?
I think it's the second movie, yung first Talk Back in Your Head.
So, medyo dark ba ang role mo dito? Or ano, patwitans?
Hindi din.
Hindi rin? So, hindi naman sexy?
Nyo.
Hindi naman sexy?
Ay, hindi.
So, how's the feeling working again with your friends?
A little bit different this time kasi yung last time, di pa sila.
Oo.
This time, medyo we're in the same tent. Medyo a little bit cheesy sa tent.
Talaga? Bakit?
Ang sweet nila eh.
True? Di sila naiilang sa'yo?
I don't know.
Hindi ka naiinggit? Wala ka?
Oh, yeah, actually, a little bit. Looking at them, I was like,
What happened sa ligawan nyo ni Ella?
Huh?
Sa inyo ni Ella? Ano nangyari?
Nothing really. Just stopped.
Why?
No.
Tinamad ka?
No. I mean, right now, both of us are focusing sa career.
Ganun na lang. Kumigimig ba kayo ni James? Or ano? Kasi
actually, not really anymore. I think James is turning more career-oriented and like
before?
Girlfriend-oriented.
Ganun na siya. Hindi na katulad dati na...
Good boy na siya eh.
Pati ikaw ba? Good boy na rin.
Hindi pa rin. Oo, sige, good boy ako.